What's up? Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a great start to your weekend. Is Binance about to make Shiba Inu pump? That's what I want to talk about with you guys because there is something taking place next week that may change the way that Shiba Inu price moves. So let's go ahead and discuss this. Now, first and foremost, Shiba Inu price doing quite well right now. All right, it is looking great. We're above 4025. Hopefully, this continues to rally through the weekend. We really got to approach our break box here. That's our big break spot, guys. I had people asking me, "Oh, why isn't Shiba Inu exploding?" Because we're not past our explosion point yet, right? We're still sitting right below it. But what is interesting and what may help us next week is that Binance is going to be pushing for Shib, USDC, and AGIX liquidity and trading boost. Now, what they're specifically going to be doing is actually adjusting the tick size. For those that aren't familiar with the tick size, in the stock market, for example, the tick size is 1 cent. So it is the variance from one price level to the next. And in crypto, it varies from asset to asset. And for example, something like Shiba Inu, you guys can see we're all the way down at 402517. I don't know if you can see the top here, but every time the price moves, it's moving very, very slowly with each of these buys because the tick size is so small. So what they're actually going to be doing is increasing the tick size for Shiba Inu. So what this will allow it to do is the price increments are going to be larger. So each of these buys and each of this amount of additional liquidity that enters Shiba Inu can make the price jump faster. Hopefully that people are understanding that. Now, this isn't happening with all Shiba Inu pairs. This is just one pair on Binance. And I want to point out that it's not a huge pair, right? It does about $3 million worth of volume daily. But this is something where maybe that begins to increase a little bit. Maybe this gains more popularity. I'm not sure of this Shib trading pair. Anyways, I know most people use USDT or USDC or ETH, right? Those are the biggest ones out there. And Binance is not the only market. Where this is interesting is if this trading pair does begin to accelerate and outpace what other ones are doing, which, for example, right now, it looks like one of the higher ones on this page right here, Upbit, looks like it's the highest price right now. There are automated market maker bots that are going to try to keep these prices consistent from exchange to exchange to exchange, from pair to pair to pair. That's where things could end up getting pretty wild. Do I expect this to boost trading and boost liquidity? Not in a direct way, right? Shiba Inu support, we know, really comes from retail. So when retail gets excited, that's when it tends to flow into Shiba Inu. And this isn't going to right away essentially boost Shiba Inu, liquidity or price, right? But what could happen is as this price moves faster and we can make bigger jumps in price, excitement may continue to rally into this, and we may see more liquidity flow in as Shiba Inu price gets bought up. And so it's kind of a down the road thing, right? It's not like an instant boom, this is our shot to the moon, but this is something that could help Shiba Inu price climb to some of these higher prices because it theoretically could move faster with each buy. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. I hope you guys have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.